In this session, we learn about different topics of basic ICT skills. First one is performing tabulation using spreadsheet. Spreadsheet. Under spreadsheet, what we do? Spreadsheet is the powerful and flexible tool to deal with number, financial figure, calculations, formulas, and other related calculations. Okay. In this spreadsheet, we can do all type of calculations work. Okay. It is used to maintain the numerical figures, also perform the calculation easily and efficiently. In which background the spreadsheet are being used? In the business classes. Okay, wherever the financial institution is there we use what? Spreadsheets. Okay, how you could be able to start your spreadsheet? Just you need to go to start button and then all programs. After that, Microsoft Office 2013, then Excel 2013, and your Microsoft Office work will be comprises of various components. Okay, cell name box, cell address, active cell, formula bar, rows, columns, sheet tab. Okay, cell name box. What is cell name box? It displays the name of the active cell or cell references. Next is a cell address. Cell reference is the column letter and the row number that identifies a single cell. For example, A1 is the cell reference of the selected cell in the worksheet. So what is the means whatever the name is there, that is known as what? Your cell address. The cell name is known as what? Your cell address. Next is your active cell. Whatever the selected cell is known as what, or the current cell is known as what? Your active cell. Whichever you have selected or highlighted box is known as what? Your active cell. Okay, next is formula bar. It displays the data and formulas that you entered in a active cell, that is known as what? Your formula bar. Next is rows. These are the horizontal lines of cells. Okay, labeled as what? The index name is what? Your 1 2 3 4 and starting on. Columns, these are the vertical lines of cells labeled using the letters what? Your A B C D and so on. Sheet tab, it indicates the name of the worksheet. You can switch between the different sheets by clicking on it. At the bottom side of the Excel, you can find the sheet tab. Okay, next is opening an existing work. If you have made the workbook and if you want to open that particular exist workbook, then what you have to do, just click on the start button, then all programs. After that, Microsoft Office 2013, then Excel 2013, and then click on open other book. When you click on other open books, then you have to browse the computer. From there you need to select the location where the desired your worksheet is available, and then you need to click on that particular computer. Okay, entering data into the worksheets. Okay, to enter the data in a worksheet, click on the desired cell and type the text. After typing, press enter. If you need to correct the entry, double click with mouse in a cell and edit the contents. Next, how to save the workbook? Just go to file and then click on save. That is the first option. Or secondly, control plus S you can perform, and then also you can be able to save your task. Next is closing the workbook. Just click on cross button, then you could be able to close the workbook. While you close, just the dialog box will be open. If you have don't saved it, if you have saved, then it will automatically close. But if you have not saved your Excel file or spreadsheet, then it will ask you to save, and then you have to save it, and then you have to close. Next is editing the data. The data entered in a cell is a worksheet, can be edited later. Okay, double click in a cell to edit the data in it. Next is change the font. Select the desired cell and right click on the selected cell, then select the format cell option. When the format cell dialog box open, click on font tab and select the required font style, size, color and effects, and then finally click on OK button. Next is copying and moving data from the home tab in a clipboard. The cut option is there, or control plus X you can opt, or you can control plus C and then control plus V, the shortcut method I'm saying. Okay, data sorting. What do you mean by data sorting? Sorting is used to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Okay, let me do and show you. See, I'm doing here the Excel file, and here see I'm writing here 5 6 4. Okay, so here 3. Okay, like 1. So it is not in the particular order, so I just need to select it first. After that, just go to data, and then from data you will find what? You will find the sort tab. Just need to click on the sort tab. Okay, and For the advanced, yes, when you click on the sort tab, see this dialog box will open, and just you need to column by H, cell name smallest to largest, and just click on OK. You will find what your data will be arranged in a sorted manner. So from where you have found in the data, you will get on the sort uh, uh, panel. From the sort panel, you just need to click on custom, and then you have to sort it. Okay. Next is your change data sorting. Now see, next is a filtering data. Filter tool separates the data that matches the given criteria. Filtering data displays the data in the rows that meet the criteria and hides the row that do not meet the criteria. Okay, let me do and show you. See, here I have done what I'm writing. See, I'm writing here like subject. Okay, under subject I'm writing here maths. Okay, English. Okay, maths, English, science is there. Okay, and next is social science. Now I just want to show only the maths and English subject. I'm writing here the marks also. Okay, let's see, marks also I'm writing here like 40, 15, 5, okay, 60, 20. Okay, these are the marks available. Just I want to show only the maths and science marks, so just I need to select this whole data. Next I will go to data, and then here I have the filter option. Okay, just click on filter, and here I'm selecting what your subject. I just want to show only maths, English and math subject, and then just click on OK. So you can view only the maths and this data is only available. Okay, or you can see I just want to show I don't want to show any data, so I will deselect all the data, and then I have to select only one, and then I'll click on OK. Then I can show only the English subject. By this method you can filter your data. Okay, now there are some how to apply the formula. There are the basic functions are being available like sum, average, max, min, today. Okay, this all function I'm doing and showing you. See, like I'm deleting this to data. Okay, see here, like I'm inserting here 2 and 3, and next I want to add here, so I'll add here. Okay, so equal to sum, and then I will add this to data. I need to select it and then close it, and then just press enter. What you will find, it has been added. Okay, if you want that what is the next formula available here, see, average. If you want to get the average, so you will do what, equal to average. See, I have written AV and the average symbol is available. Just click here. Okay, next you select the cells required to get the average, then close the cell and then press enter. You can get the average. Okay, next you have the max, min and today. Okay, so get how to get the maximum marks, equal to max, then press symbol, and then you have to select it and then press enter. You will get the maximum value. Similarly, for getting the minimum value, what you have to do, equal to min, and then select the desired, equal to min, and then select the value and then press it and enter. So you will get the minimum value. Okay, next is equal to today. It will return the current date. See, so my current date is 11/7/2020. Okay, so by this method you could be able to check. Next is password protecting a document. How we could do the password protection? While you save the file, you will get the option as password to open. So you can get the option of password through where? Through the general option you can get, and from the general option you can apply the password for protecting your document. Okay, how to print? Just go to file tab, then print option, and then click on print button. By using this, you could be able to print a worksheets. Okay. Next, preparing the digital presentation. What is digital presentation? Digital presentation application lets the user arrange the information and content on multiple slides, which can be arranged in a particular sequence. The digital presentation application provides features of creating and editing the presentation. How to start the MS PowerPoint? Go to Start button, then All Programs, then MS Office 2013, then PowerPoint 2013. You will get the blank presentation thumbnail. From there, you can select the particular design and you can start your working in your desired presentation. How to open the presentation? Just go to File tab, then click on Open. The recent presentations will be available in the panel. If though you does not get the recent presentation, then go to Browse button. When you will click on Browse button, the dialog box will be open. You have to select the particular location from where you need to get your presentation, and then open your particular file, and then it is ready to work on your existing presentation. Okay. Inserting a text box on the slide. How you could be able to insert the text box on the slide? See, select the desired slide and click on the insert tab. Okay, in the text group, click on the text box button, drag the mouse, and then you can ready to write the text box. Adding a new slide on the home tab. In the slide group, click on the drop down arrow on the new slide button. From the new slide button, click on the desired layout. There are various number types of layout available. Okay. Next is how you could be able to insert the image. On the insert tab in the image group, since you are inserting, so you will get all the things in the insert tab. In the insert tab in image group, click on the pictures option. For local storage or online pictures options are available. In the insert picture dialog box available, locate and select the picture that you want to insert and click on the insert button. Next is a slide transition. Slide transitions are the visual effects that occur in slideshow view. When you move from one slide to the next during on-screen presentation, you can control the speed of each slide transition effect, and you can also add sound also using what? Your slide transition. Okay, the steps to apply transition to slides are: select the slide in the slide navigation pane, and on the transition tab in slide transition to the slide group, click on more drop down arrow. A drop down menu appears. Okay. Next is animation. Animation makes the presentation effective and engaging. A simulation of movement created by displaying the series of pictures or frames is called what? Animation. Animation contains a visual effect. How you could be apply animation? You have to select the object that you want to animate. On animation tab, click on more drop down arrow in the animation group and click on add animation button in the advanced animation group. Then a drop down menu appears. Select the desired effect and the effect is applied to the object. The object will have a small number of next to it. See, for applying the transition, here see the transition is available. From the transition line, you can apply all the line, like I am writing here. Okay, so this transition I want what? In the push manner. Okay, so see, in this manner it will be available. Even you can set the duration also here, that how much duration it will come. Okay, see, effect option is also available from the left side. If you want, then left side it will be available. So these are the transition effects been available. You can preview and see also that how it will look. Okay, now next is animation. See, in the animation, if you want that by this file should appear in this manner, so see, in this manner it will be available. In the second one will should available in floating, so see, it will be available. You can see the preview also, like see here. Okay, see this preview, you can see in this manner it will be available. This could be available in what? In your animation. Okay, you can apply some object and also apply in that animations. Okay, if you want to insert the slide, then from where you will get the new slide option. From here the number of slides are available. You can apply any type of slide. Like I want to insert blank slide, so I will insert here the blank slide. It is available over here. Okay, by using this small features you could be work on what in your presentations. Okay, in this slideshow there, if you want to slide show from the beginning, then from the beginning you can start your slideshow. It will be available. Okay, just click on enter. All the animations will be available. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.